All right, everybody. So, got a little unfortunate bit of news. I missed this Mr. Clausner here, and I actually broke my leg on Friday. So, I'm in a walking boot and crutches, and so I have to take a couple days off. I hope to be in next week. I have plans for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but I'm just going to walk through this with all of you all because I want you to know what you're expected to do. I'll be back. I'll be on crutches, but it'll be okay. We'll get through it. And for you all, I have the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday schedule. I might come in on Wednesday, despite doctor orders. We'll see what's up. But I just want to walk through this with you all so you know what you need to do. So these will be just these 3 days. Remember, there's no school Thursday, no school Friday. So that is a little bit of a fortunate turn. But when you enter, follow the same protocol with the sub. You guys pray at the beginning of class. The sub will take attendance probably on a hard piece of paper. I'll share the seating charts and the attendance sheets. We are going to grade week one homework when you come in. So I'll kind of walk you through the process in this video, and then I'll just grab the grades from you when I come in, maybe Wednesday or the following Monday. You can grab week two homework. It'll be posted on Google Classroom, and there's hard copies in the corner where I showed you guys where all the homeworks are. There should be enough to have the whole grade grab. If you're in honors, there's the Turtwig homework. So that's a new Pokemon for me, but it is under the absent materials bin. So on that far side by the windows, you have your homework, the extension, 25 pages there. So it's a good thing that that was all planned out and ready to go. We'll also be doing an assignment. So I want to send this out. It's due August 22nd. So it's called the quote drawing and interview assignment. I have a video made up for that as well. And I have all the directions, then all the assignment information that is posted to Google Classroom. Hopefully I'll be in before then so I can talk you through that. Now, there is a thing where you need to get a piece of paper. So I'm either going to send you an email with your quote, or I'm going to have someone at the school print it out, another teacher to drop it off. I haven't decided on that yet and still kind of waiting to see. So just be ready for that when it comes through. After you come in and grade the work, get your homework, it will become a study hall time. So to get everything done, please feel free to take a stretch break in there to get your movement in. I know how important movement is. So we will have time for that. And then as always, towards the end of class, you'll clean up and dismiss by the teacher. Make sure you clean up around your desk. Make sure you push in all the chairs and clean up each. The schedule this week goes E, F, G. So standard E, standard F, standard G. And that is true. So it's probably not going to change. And I'll show you that. Like I said, this is notes for the substitute, but yeah, it was pretty bad. I broke my leg. Not happy about it, but that's how it goes. I'll make sure I have everything. Don't forget your summer packet is due Friday, even though there's no school. It's due. We'll go over that the following Monday, and we're gonna go through some of that together this week. Maybe I'll make some videos highlighting some more questions, but we'll see how that all goes. Make sure you get it done. Pages 0 through 14, and then we'll go over that more when I get back. You will have week two homework, so that's Pikachu and Gengar. The week two extension for honors is Turtwig, the drawing activity, and the interview of a former student. I'll have all the information online, and then make sure you're getting your Khan Academy set up. Make sure you're bringing in your supplies. You can put the paper towels and the Kleenexes underneath in our little supply storage there on the side, and make sure you're bringing in your expos and all that. And then the Google form agreement is what you need to complete to say that you read the syllabus. Okay, so here we are. We'll be on the E, F, G this week. So 3, 4, break 5, 6. That's Monday. Tuesday is the F schedule, and maybe I hope to be back on the Wednesday. We'll see the G day. So each week we will grade ourselves. I trust your honesty. So at this time, when you get to this part in the video, you may take out your Meowth homework. Make sure your name is on it. Make sure it's highlighted. Make sure you circle your answers. That is one thing I do ask. It's mostly for you all, so you know what you answered. be honest as you grade yourself. So if you get it wrong, you get it wrong. If you get it right, you get it right. Remember, in this class, we'll do stars and check marks. So stars mean you got it correct, and check mark means, hey, I need to try this one again, because you can keep this after I input the grade. So I will get the grade from you when I come back, but you get to keep this and put it in your binders, hole punch it, make sure your name is on it. And then I take all these questions from the homeworks and put them on the tests. So let's just go through this really quickly. Number 1 says write the number 17, and that's how you would write it. Give yourself a star if you got that. You can put the star on top of the number 1. So question 1 out of 1. Number 2, 3 plus 9 is 12. Again, this was a lot of kindergarten and first grade mathematics, so we should have all done pretty well on this one. But it's always good to review and start the year off with some wins. So it goes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 55. That subtraction problem. Number 5 is 60. Number 6 has 4 parts. A is a circle, B is a square, C is a triangle, and D is a rectangle. 853 has 8 hundreds, 5 tens, and 3 ones. 3 times 6 is 18. 90 divided by 10 is 9. Meowth has $6.81. Make sure you're writing a complete sentence. When I ask you word problems, we'll go through that more this year. Number 11, 11 times 6 is 66. 121 divided by 11 is 11. 3 by 4, so there's 12 total circles. A pentagon or pentagons look like this over here on the right side, so 5 sides equal length. Number 15, those are 3-dimensional shapes: sphere, cube, triangular prism. The last one, rectangular prism. That's what I'll call it, but some people also call it a cuboid. Number 16, 14, 1/4, 1/2, 1/3, 3/8. If you put 2/4 for the second one, that's fine. We just always simplify, always reduce when it comes to fractions. It's a lot easier to work with. Number 17 is 2/30. It goes less than, greater than, less than, greater than. Number 18, number 19, 9, 13, 943, 607, and 21. Those are all odd. And then these are the lower numbers: 64, 12, and 45. So you can stop the video here, screenshot this, make sure you check your work, and this is how you grade yourself. And we'll go through this every week on the first day that I see you. I also want to share this with my advisory. Make sure you guys do your do nows, be on your best behavior, and then in second advisory, you'll follow these. So you can pause the video and screenshot these. This is a video you'll watch about Kevin Mawai, who's a great center, and Kanaka Maoli, introduced to the Hall of Fame for football. That's Monday. Tuesday, this is an amazing video. Please, it should be able to play, or I'll send you the link. Complete the do now, watch this video, Silent Study Hall. Describe an unusual talent. This is the Wednesday. Draw a dragonfly, complete the math sequence, and then when it finished, it becomes a silent study hall. And then this day, there's also another activity that if I'm back, I will lead, but if not, we'll lead. Have a great couple days. I hope to be back, and be on your best behavior. Thank you. Bye.